Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. So in this video we are going to unbox BLAUPUNKT gaming soundbar guys. As you can see, I have got this from Amazon Prime flash sale. Okay, here we have the unboxing knife, so let's get quickly into unboxing. Okay, we got the wrapper out, the bill as well. Let's put this all aside. Here you can see this is the soundbar guys. It looks so cool with the RGB and everything. Let's see quick specs. It has 2000 mAh battery, turbo volt charging, TWS wireless function, aux input, and this is a Germany brand guys. You may not heard of it, but it's doing very well in the audio segment, and most of these products are available online, so I would suggest to check it out. Okay, this is the box, and side we have the manufacturing details, etc., MRP and everything. Now let's open it. I would not say the packaging is very good since it's coming from courier and online service. Yeah, it's pretty much safe inside. Let's check this out. And inside we have a USB charging cable and aux to aux cable, as you can see, and some information about the warranty registration. Again, some paperwork. Let's put this box aside, and inside our speaker is safe, and here's some manual. If you want to see, you can pause it and read it later. Okay, now let's take this out. So this is how it is guys. This is our speaker. It looks so good. I mean, the design is giving me the gaming vibes. Now let's see at the back how it is. And in the back we have the Type-C for charging, memory card slot, on off switch, aux and USB input. Now let's enable it. Wow guys, it looks so cool, the RGB light and everything. Now let's connect it with the phone guys. Wait a minute. Sorry guys, my speaker was not in charge, so I have put it in charging mode, as you can see. So I have connected with my another mobile as well. Here you can see it shows BLAUPUNKT SBA GM. Now let's do a quick test how it plays the bass, the punch and everything. So let's play Zinda Banda from Jawan, one of my favorite songs recently.
असूलों पर जहां आ जाए टकराना जरूरी है, बंदा जिंदा हो तो जिंदा नजर आना जरूरी है, बंदा हो तो जिंदा हो.
It sounds really good guys. The bass is decent as well, and the vocals are crystal clear too.
Ready.
I would not say it has too much fun, but in this price range is very good. Really good.
थिरक रे लड़क भड़क बंदा हो खलक तलक बंदा हो फिकर फिकर जिंदा हो बंदा हो तबड़ तोड़क बंदा हो पलक तलक बंदा हो सबर शुक्र जिंदा हो बंदा हो धड़पन रंगारे धड़कन अंगारे तन मन गंगारे जिंदा बंदा हो
Really good, guys.
तन मन गंगारे जिंदा बंदा हो झटपट झूमर
That's it, guys. I hope you all enjoy this video. If you are looking for a Bluetooth speaker soundbar type with a gaming vibe, this I will definitely suggest this. It's a good to go, guys. For me it's a thumbs up, so go with it. It's really better and best in this price range, and I'll see you guys soon in the next video. Until then, eat healthy, avoid accidents. You all know that's the secret to long life.